In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to hit security. Then tap on emergency SOS. Select emergency contacts and click on add emergency contacts. Then click on the one that you wish to add and decide if you wish to notify this contact that it became your emergency one by selecting one of those options in the pop-up. Then add all the other ones. If you want to, you can click on this icon at the top right corner. Change order of your contacts by dragging the chosen ones, or delete the chosen ones by clicking on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirming your choice in the pop-up. When you're finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!